Hmm. So this is the day 2 class of the application of data science and analytics. So today's topic is application of data science. So now these are the innovative applications. So applications of deep learning. Today deep learning is very popular. So where this deep learning used in real life situation. So first application is image recognition. So there are so many smart applications. They recognize the face recognition, image recognition, object detections by this image recognition. The next one is natural language processing, where our semantic and language translations, machine translation, automatic machine translations from one language to another languages, they are performed by this natural language processing. The third application is portfolio management and prediction of stock price movement. So in real life, you already aware that the how to stock market is up and down. So we can predict by the previous data, past application data. So these are also involved. Then drug discovery and better diagnostic of disease in healthcare. So in healthcare also the better diagnostic of disease by using the previous data, past experience data, and apply the deep learning task. So today many researchers are doing for drug discovery of the COVID-19 situations. And then speech recognition system. So we can voice, and voice is just like a command base. Suppose Alexa is the best example for this one. So we can uh, say something by speech and then recognize and automatically respond it. Robot and self-driving cars are also the best application. So one by one, this is what, this is the image recognition. You just uh, pass the objects, and our model is identify the what is this objects. And then generation of image from text and image caption generation. So suppose if we pass, this flower is pink, white and yellow in color and has petals that are stripped, so automatically that convert into the our demand. Automatic machine translation. So if we pass a command to a chatbot by this, and what I want to perform, then our text is recognized and apply some semantics, and then they automatically translate, machine translate what action I want to perform. So this is what automatic machine translation. Then human pose estimation. Suppose we want to count the how many persons are dancing on a floor, so we can frame by frame detections. Then electricity consumptions are also optimized by the smart electricity systems. Then in game playing, deep learning is also used in game playing, automatic game playing. These are the also the application of this one. This is the self-driving car. So this is reinforcement learning, where we already know that machine learning are three types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, where we can apply feedback. So car is automatically drive and based on their feedback. Style transfer. There are so many applications, smart applications in our mobile phone. If we pass the two image, and image is transferred into the another style. Suppose we want to style in different way, like a painting style. Fake news generation and detection is also the example of this one. So Hawking, if we pass the text, then recognize the resources and identify whether the news is real news or fake news. Smart manufacturing is also the example of this one. This is generative adversarial networks, GAN, where one image is transferred into the another form, and this artificial images really look like the same original image. So these are the application of uh, data science and machine learning.